Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use the Q&A filter on TikTok. So you are just going to go to your profile and then select the Q&A bit over here, and here you can answer these questions. For instance, this one, just select answer, and then you're just going to record yourself, or you can also select this to answer later, so it's going to be in your favorites. You can also ask a question here and then invite people to ask, I guess. And then after that, you're going to see it here, you're going to see your answered questions and your questions here. I think it's a good, place to interact with people who don't necessarily ask on your page, but you can answer and ask them. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!